Hey YouTube, here's my second bike check for my Fgfs Papa. As you may have noticed, I got Fgfs fork and bars and stem. That's pretty much all I've added to it. I took the front brake off because it didn't fit on this fork. Yeah, it has fit grips. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know how high these bars are. I think they're 3 inches high. They're not too high though. This fork is actually really heavy. I know I commented in the other video saying that now I have pursuit bars, which I do, but I was actually just at the bike shop to get a orange chain, but I saw how cheap the Fgfs fork was, so I just got it. It's an old fork. I will be getting an orange chain just next time I go to the bike shop. Plus my chain tool broke, so I need to take the bike there so they can attach it. So yeah, that's all I got. I'm gonna get a pivotal seat. Probably gonna go brakeless, or I'm probably just gonna switch it to freewheel so I can do more tricks. But I don't know yet. Here's my brother's new bike. Liter 725, I think. Drop wires. Red brake wires. Carbon seat. It's got a big crank. It's really light. Carry it with the pinky. So yeah, that was my bike check for my Fgfs Papa, and sorry for my brother's leader. But rate, comment, subscribe. Once I get the pivotal seat, and I'm also gonna get ODI long necks in orange. And what else? Orange chain. I'll make a bike check. So rate, comment, subscribe.